Good afternoon. Ian Cooper here with ChasingMarkets.com. Wanted to show you a very easy way to spot technical pivot points using Amgen as an example. We're going to use the Bollinger Band set at 2 standard deviations above and below the 20-day moving average. We're going to use relative strength, MACD, and Williams percentage range. Let's start out with Bollinger Bands. You can see here that each time Amgen tests its upper or lower Bollinger Band, it has a historical tendency to pivot and move in the other direction. But we never want to rely just on Bollinger Bands to buy or sell a stock. So we want to confirm with other momentum indicators. We can use RSI, for example. When RSI moves to or above the 70 line, it's considered overbought. And we can confirm that as the underlying stock tests its upper Bollinger Band with RSI at or above the 70 line, the stock is considered overbought. But we can confirm even more. When MACD pushes up too much too soon, overbought. Then, when Williams percentage range moves to or above its 20 line, we now have several indicators that let us know that Amgen is technically overbought and is likely to pivot and move in the other direction. For example, at the start of 2018, RSI was above the 70 line. Amgen was at its upper Bollinger Band around $195 a share. MACD pushed up too much too soon. Williams percentage range was overbought above the 20 line. And not long after, the stock pivoted and dropped from $195 to nearly $164 a share. But we can also look at it from the other side as well. When Amgen tests its lower Bollinger Band with RSI at or below its 30 line, with MACD down too much too soon, with Williams percentage range below its 80 line, the underlying stock begins to find support and move in the opposite direction. At the start of February 2018, for example, RSI was near its 30 line as Amgen tested its lower Bollinger Band. MACD slipped, and Williams percentage range was slightly below its 80 line. Not long after, the stock pivoted and ran from about $164 to just above $190 a share. Now, this does not work 100% of the time, but these are great technical tools to be well aware of as you're analyzing stocks. This works with any stock, index, and ETF. Use it, and you may just find a new set of indicators to use along the way.